Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 6th class Maths first chapter number system. In this chapter we will discuss about numbers. First of all, natural numbers, and after then whole numbers, integers, real numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers. So we will discuss in this class what is the description of these numbers. First of all, natural numbers. It is indicated with capital N. So what is the natural numbers? We had already learned 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so etc. So the natural numbers is indicated with capital N. So the number is starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the numbers are infinitive. So infinitive. First smallest natural number is starting with 1. So this is the smallest number. This is the increasing order. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So just like this, adding of the 1, it increasing level. So this is the smallest number and this is greatest number. So first smallest natural number is 1. So the natural number starting with 1. We had already learned in early classes. Next, adding one number and we get the next number. So adding of one number we get next number. So 2 plus 1 3. So we get the next number. So we add 1, we get on next level next number. So largest number cannot be obtained, it is infinitive, we don't know. So this is the natural number. Natural number indicates with N and the starting is 1. Next one, whole numbers, it indicates with W. It is starting with 0. This is very important. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are etc. infinitive. Natural numbers are starting with 1, but the whole number is starting with 0. The natural numbers with 0 form a whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a natural number, but before the 1 there is 0. So this is the whole number. So these are all natural numbers. Before the natural number there is a 0. Okay, you can understand 1, 2, 3, 4 is the natural numbers. But before the natural number 0, this is the whole number. So the smallest number is 0. Largest number same as we can't be obtained. Next, integers. Integers are denoted with Z or I letter. Z or I letter. So Z. Here we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 natural numbers. Before 1 we keep 0. This is the whole numbers. Before the 0, these all negative numbers. Negative means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, infinitive. So the negative values are present in these integers. A group of numbers called integers contain the negative numbers, 0 natural numbers. This is very important. In the natural numbers, the number is starting with 1 and it is the infinitive. Same just as in the integers also, the negative numbers in the left side, it is also infinitive. So integers are negative numbers. These are negative numbers. 0. But what is this? Positive numbers. We can't plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. We can't mention plus. So we just like write 1, 2, 3, 4. It means before the number there is a positive value. Do you understand? Before the number there is a positive value. So but we can't write it 1, 2, 3, 4. We simply write 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is these are positive numbers. So natural numbers are positive numbers. This is very important. Natural numbers are positive numbers. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but from minus 1 to infinitive, these numbers are integers numbers are negative numbers. So do you understand? Right side 0, right side natural numbers are positive numbers, but the 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 negative numbers, 0 left side numbers are negative numbers. So this is the integers. Difference between two consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive means, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Consecutive means beside the numbers 1, 2 is consecutive numbers, 2, 3 consecutive numbers, 3, 4 consecutive numbers. So consecutive means next number, the number next number, this 2 is consecutive numbers, this 2 also consecutive numbers. So consecutive means beside the number. So difference between two consecutive natural numbers. So natural numbers difference is 1. So answer is 1. Next, difference between two whole numbers. Two whole numbers, this is also 1. After then, difference between two integers. Two integers also 1. Next, real numbers. It indicates with R letter, capital R letter. The system contains all the numbers, means negative, positive numbers, 0 and fractions. This is very important, adding of the fractions. So real numbers are extra of integers is fractions, but in the integers doesn't contain fractions. This is very important. I will repeat once again this one. Natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4 or etc. Whole numbers starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers are natural numbers and the whole number and negative numbers. So negative numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers are integers. But in the real numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, 0 and fractions. For example, minus 10, minus 2, 0, 3, 7. In these numbers, 3, 7 are positive numbers or natural numbers. Do you understand? 0 is whole number and minus 2, minus 10 are integers. So these are all numbers. Integers also real numbers. So integers also real numbers. Second one, minus 3.4, minus 2.5, 1 by 2, 4.7, 5, 2 by 3, 15.2. These are all fractions. Fractions, decimal form. So these are all only real numbers, not integers. Integers doesn't have a fractions. So this is very important. Next one. So real numbers is the all numbers contains. So the real numbers are the containing all numbers. It means natural numbers, whole numbers, negative numbers and fractions also. Next one. Even natural numbers or even number. Even number denoted with capital E. The group of natural numbers that are divisible by 2. It is called even numbers. E equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. So the even numbers are divisible by 2. We know that the divisibility test in the units place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. Infinitive even numbers are infinitive. Next, difference between two consecutive even numbers. Difference between two consecutive even numbers are 2. So this is very important. Next one, odd numbers. It is denoted with O. The natural numbers are not divisible by 2. Even numbers are divisible by 2, but the odd numbers is not divisible by 2. This is called odd numbers. Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, just like. So these are also infinitive odd numbers. The difference between two consecutive odd numbers also 2. 1 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 11 minus 9, 2. So even numbers are divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Even numbers are infinitive. Odd numbers also infinitive. But the difference of the two consecutive even numbers is 2, and the difference between the two consecutive odd numbers also 2. So only the difference is the even numbers is divisible by 2, odd numbers is not divisible by 2. Next, prime numbers. Prime numbers, it is denoted the letter P. What is prime numbers? A natural number that is greater than 1. It is divisibility only by itself and by 1 is called prime number. For example, it is only divisible by itself and 1. It means, example 3. 3 ones are 3, or 1 threes are 3. It means the number is divisible by 1 or itself. So 1, 3. The 3 is itself number. So the number is only divisible by itself and 1. So and it is greater than 1. Next, 6. 2 3s are 6. So 2, 3 are factors of 6. And then 20. 20 means 1 20s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 10 2s are 20. Next. Okay, 2 10s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 1 20s are. So the numbers is 1, okay, 2, 4, 5, 10. So this is the numbers. So these are all divisible by, these numbers also divisible by 20. 6 also divisible by 2, 3. Here, so these are divisible by some numbers. So if a number is only divisible by itself and 1, so that is the prime number. Prime numbers is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So this is not a, these two numbers are not a prime number. Why? Because they have so many multiplications. Here 2 ones are 2, 1 2. So there is no multiplication. 1 2. So this is prime number. 3 1 3s are, that's all. 5 1 5s are. 7 1 7s are. 11 1 11s are. 13 1 13s are. 17 1 17. So 1 are itself number. 1 2 1 3. So there is no multiplications. So this is the prime number. Next one, 2 is the smallest prime number and infinitive prime natural numbers. 2 is only prime number and also even number. 2 is the prime number and also even number. So this is the main topics: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers. In the next class, we will write exercises for neat understanding. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.